What is the best way to just start building and establishing credit?
One is just you got to be in it to start building credit quickly. If you're not in it, meaning if you don't have credit, you're still building a credit profile, whether you realize it or not.
I think very few people think about it like an ecosystem, like this critical part of our economy. There are all kinds of types of credit out there, whether we're talking about credit cards, car loans, student debt, mortgages, and there are more things being invented.
I would say that one of the things that BNPL does, they do a few things differently than let's just compare them to credit cards. They're both unsecured credit, meaning there's no collateral backing it. They can't take anything away after you bought it. The other thing that they did very well and are doing very well is they offer a product that is appealing in that it's advertised as interest free. Well, that sounds awesome. Who doesn't want an interest free loan, right? And yeah, you have to pay it back in 4 or 5 payments is typical. It's usually a very short-term loan, but you're like, oh, well, I'm going to take, why wouldn't I take an interest-free loan? And of course, you and I know nothing is for free.
What's one thing that you do know for sure that you really just wish every young borrower knew about credit, whether it's student loans, or buying a car, or buy now, pay later? What's the one thing you just really wish every one of them knew?
I guess it's pretty simple. Pay back your debts on time. And don't get in over your head. By the way, we should spend a little bit of time talking about getting in over your head because, bad things happen to good people, right? It happens. So I also don't want people to say, oh, I lost my job. So unemployment, health emergencies, and divorce, I think, are the top 3 reasons for people falling down in terms of their financial responsibilities. That happens all too often, unfortunately, but it happens. And my advice to people there would be don't go dark with your creditors. As difficult as it may be, get on the phone or whatever your mode of communication is with your lender and tell them what you're going through and tell them that you need help and try to work something out.